ESL Level 1 Verbal Practice Test 2. What are these? What are these? These are bills. How much is this? How much is this? It's $31.05. What are these? What are these? These are coins. Name a vegetable. Name a vegetable. It is a tomato. They are carrots. What is he doing? What is he doing? He is sleeping. What are you doing? What are you doing? We are cooking. What are they doing? What are they doing? They are talking on the phone. What's the matter? What's the matter? She has a cold. What's the matter? What's the matter? He has a headache. How much is the check for? How much is the check for? It's for $1,500. Who is the check for? Who is the check for? It's for Acme Grocery Stores. Can you play the violin? Can you play the violin? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can your wife drive a bus? Can your wife drive a bus? Yes, she can. No, she can't. Can your husband cook? Can your husband cook? Yes, he can. No, he can't. Can they dance? Can they dance? Yes, they can. No, they can't. Who usually cleans at your house? Who usually cleans at your house? My wife usually cleans at my house. How often do you sing? How often do you sing? I never sing. When do you usually go to school? When do you usually go to school? I usually go to school at 7 o'clock a.m. Are you divorced? Are you divorced? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Is your husband friendly? Is your husband friendly? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Is your wife friendly? Is your wife friendly? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Are they good cooks? Are they good cooks? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Do you play tennis? Do you play tennis? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do they play soccer? Do they play soccer? Yes, they do. No, they don't. Do we play the guitar? Do we play the guitar? Yes, we do. No, we don't. Does he play soccer? Does he play soccer? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Does it look happy? Does it look happy? Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. Did you see your friends last weekend? Did you see your friends last weekend? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Did you work yesterday? Did you work yesterday? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Did you drive to school today? Did you drive to school today? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Where were you born? Where were you born? I was born in the United States. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? It was good. Where were you yesterday afternoon? Where were you yesterday afternoon? I was at home.